3D Sheet Metal Creator is a role on a 3D experience platform that brings sheet metal design to the cloud. Now you can design your sheet metal parts or assemblies from anywhere on any device. Quickly start your part with 3D Experience's powerful sketch tools and turn that sketch into a wall or extrusion. And while you're at it, don't forget to define your sheet metal properties. Add in flanges and walls that you can set up to add automatic relief. Need to change sheet metal properties mid-design? Don't worry, it's not a problem with 3D Sheet Metal Creator. Like many other design tools, you also have the ability to add in cutouts and mirror either features or bodies. "3D Sheet Metal Creator brings machine learning to the table. By the tools recognizing what your intentions may be, you can save loads of times on repetitive tasks such as picking small edge after small edge for chamfers. Once you have all of your walls, you can add in corner relief with a variety of options for the shape. And guess what? With 3D Sheet Metal Creator, you have the ability to create a wall from a sketch that is perpendicular to the base. And of course, essential to any sheet metal design tool, convert your design to a flat pattern to reassure its manufacturability and prepare for export to DXF. This is just a taste of what 3D Sheet Metal Creator can do. With the ability to add in other components, you can build complex assemblies, and you can even add in non-sheet metal components to design around. You can convert existing geometry or surfaces to sheet metal, you can check for surface overlap, and so much more. This is just a taste of what 3D Sheet Metal Creator can do, so be sure to contact us to schedule a demo. We'll dive in much deeper and make sure that it's the right fit for you.